We are back at the Superior hiking trail here on Tuesday. Today it's raining, and it's really raining, unlike last time where it just drizzled and it kind of stopped pretty quickly. So this time, at least all morning we have rain, if not all day. Testing out my rain cape here. Still just doing a slack packing. We have about 10 miles or so to back to the car. I got the shuttle right here, and probably won't be recording so much because it's raining, but try to keep the spirits up. There's kind of a neat bridge that we're going over it, so I'm thinking of recording this little path here, and it has chicken wires on it so we don't slip. That's really nice and appreciated on a day like today. And there's a slightly drier spot, nowhere now. Okay, see you up the trail. The rain already stopped, so it's not gonna rain all morning. Took me a while to notice that the rain stopped because the driplets from the forest. It was actually pretty neat walking through the rain with the poncho, the cloak, hiking through the forest with my staff, over mountains and through valleys, along the blue path. I've seen darkness, I've seen light. I am Wizard Klaus, traveling through these woods. Yeah, kind of fun. How's that? I'm not totally sure how many miles we did already. Probably not too much yet. Just strolling along the path. The path is actually not too bad. As I said, there are some puddles, but all these ones can be navigated easily around. It's no mud fest here, so that's nice. So my feet are surprisingly still dry. Shoes are wet, definitely, and a bit muddy, but really good here. Spirit good, everything good. Body aching as usual, so we're doing good. Oh, besides that lake there. Have to do a little navigation here. Not too bad. Again, perfectly contained and solid around it. So not much drama to report this morning. Hey, that's nice. The shuttle went fine. So I have had the shuttle with Matt today, that little stretch. Tomorrow he's taking me from Mountain Road up to Reeves to Harbor, and some real hiking is gonna start. And I thought it was Saturday, but actually it's Sunday that I need one more shuttle to finish out the southern terminus. And so I have to talk to him about that. I know he has on Saturday morning a drive from the southern terminus all the way up to the northern terminus for some hikers that are ambitious and doing the whole thing through. Hope they are better off than I am, because it sucks paying for the whole shuttle ride and then having to hitch or find another ride down again. So being able to do all the miles here, wrapping this tail up and taking it out of the bucket list, it's going to be a tight one for me here, but still doable, and that's why I'm hiking this section here too. No slacking off on your slack off days. So yesterday and the day before with the bus worked quite well. Yesterday was a little tough. I think it was just the heat, really muggy and hot. I think I wasn't the only one that complained that day. After that, yeah, what did I do after that? So yeah, I finished the hike at the Superior National Park headquarters, catch the 103 bus right back to the terminus, the transportation center where my car was parked, and then we went up to grab the sandwich for today. Went up to Planet Fitness, took the shower. My first real shower there. It's kind of okay. Could be laid out much better. And then I went over to the rest area in Wisconsin. Stayed there. It was pretty nice there. Well, you have a bathroom and a parking spot, nothing to worry about. Really the nice part is the car, that everything is perfectly set up for that. So that worked out fine. Not 100% sure where I'm gonna park tonight. I do want to go back to Planet Fitness just to get the shower in, and then I need to be at 9 o'clock at Martin Road Trailhead, and for that I need to sleep somewhere. Probably not gonna go boondocking into the wilderness, just because I have to find a place, and then I also have to drive out of there. I don't think it's too bad with the rain, but that's also something that you have to worry about, is that you don't get stuck out there when it starts raining. Yeah, so I saw a Sam's Club right near Planet Fitness that has some RVers parked in the parking lot. Could be an option just to park right next to them. You don't have the bathroom part, and the rest area is kind of nice, the bathroom part. So I could go back up to the Minnesota one or to the Wisconsin one. Minnesota one I was the night before, last night. Officially that one is only supposed to allow 4 hours of nappy time. So nobody really checked on that last time, and plenty of people were there. I really do like having the bathroom there in the morning. I just can go ahead and shave with my electric shaver. Surprisingly, not that many people are at the rest stop all night long. So yeah, might go back to Wisconsin. It's pretty much the same driving. It seems like I need a half an hour to drive to the trailhead. Add a little bit extra, it's an hour to be sure that I get to the trailhead for my ride. The other interesting thing was this morning, I totally forgot this trailhead was already in the state park. So I needed a state park permit. And they do all, via cell phones, QR code and stuff like that. It's all nice and fine. but the data connection was really slow and bad, and it took me like half an hour just to fill in the day pass for it. Well, it worked out. So on the last day, if I go to the terminus parking lot, I have to double check if that is also a state park or if that's not, and I can just park there easily. I hope so. In any case, so yeah, I think I rambled enough now. So see you down the trail. Probably too many trees to call this a lookout. But unlike before, we can see now Wisconsin there. No more lake, just a river there. Beautiful though. Woo woo! Woo woo! Absolutely no echo. It was total letdown there on the sound quality. That's a cool different angle of Duluth. I'm trying to figure out what is the smell. Is it me? Could be. Or is it the thing over there? The wind comes from that direction. I don't have a clue. Both is possible. Maybe both smells. Who knows what. We came down here. I'm not sure what trail that is. That's an awesome bike trail. Going through the rocks like that. Definitely used to be a rail to trail thing. The sign is showing we should be going that direction. So we're gonna chug along this asphalt path a little bit until it tells us otherwise. So see you along the trail. I'm definitely sure that's as flat as it could be. Definitely would be awesome to ride a bike on that thing. I skipped many overlooks. I think I definitely skipped this one as for sure. But it's kind of a neat sign, and there's a neat way marker. Ah shoot. Let's see. It will be hopefully just over there. Anything that cool of a sign, and then the little sign there. We just have to do it. Let's be unimpressed. Oh, it's this little thing there. Shining Yoku. What? Not totally sure what that is. I don't know. For an unimpressive overlook, it's kind of nice. See a little valley, a huge house there. Oh, there's a ski lift. That's a ski lodge apparently. Not bad, not bad. Do you think we should do our call? Woo-hoo! Much better than the other place. Much better. So impressed me a little bit for being unimpressive. What's the rest to go to? I don't know. It was fun for sure. Different. The sign definitely got us down that trail. Oh, we still have a good portion to go, I bet. Let's guess 5 miles maybe we made, and we have 5 miles left or something. There's the overlook sign again. Cute, cute, cute. You did not oversell, for sure. Okay, let's follow the blue line. And I'm gonna check. I'm guessing 5 miles we're in, 5 miles we have. Let me double check on that. 6.6 miles and we have 4 miles left. Not bad. Not bad. So getting done in a decent time. Wish I could do a little bit more miles there, but the next trailhead is kind of far away. So at least 14 miles left at the end. And I would have liked to whittle that down to 10 or so, because you have to walk out again, so that would be more like 16 miles we would have to walk there. Doable, 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 doable if I survive the 2 hours to Martin Road trip. That's the determining factor. Anyway, see you down the trail. The remaining section of the trail to the car continued through the forest. It was pretty uneventful, so I didn't do much recording there. I headed back to Duluth to get a shower and took advantage of the massage bed before heading out to dinner. The beach in Wisconsin. It's like the ocean without salt water. There are two. Can I zoom in? There's one, and over on the other side. There's another one. Oh, it's on anchor. Kind of chilly tonight. Yesterday it was too hot, and now it's too cold. Woo. The temps can really change quickly here. It's like a nice sand beach. Definitely cool. Big waves, but extremely big. definitely need. Brr. Not too cold to be outside much. I'm gonna go inside again, hang out in the car a little bit before we find our spot to sleep. Good night.